Hey guys, what's going on? Well, I got something a little different for you today. And you guys will probably want to be watching my listings. This is the first commercial I've ever put on my listings, but I'm going to be listing some stuff this week and over the weekend at some pretty good prices. So check my store, Snarling Rabbit Dog, on eBay. And if you want, you can get a hold of me through the inbox on YouTube. This is something really nice. Brand new in the box. This is the coveted motherlode of APX technology. It's got dual antennas on it, or I mean dual, probably ought to have dual antennas on it with it. It's got dual microphones. Let me see if I can't go over through some of the features here. You have your volume rocker switch right here, and it's a positive switch. It's tactile. And as you hold the mic in your hand, you can get a pretty good grasp around everything. It's a real well-designed mic, and it's built like a tank. They're very expensive. But this is the APX remote speaker mic. It works for the APX7000 and of course the APX7000XE and the 6000 series. Kit number on this. Let's see all the information here. NNTN 8203A, BOK stands for black. Man, this is the beast. When you look at this mic, you can see all the advancements that Motorola's put into these. You have your swivel, and you also have your hang clip. These were made for firefighters primarily. And on this side you have one programmable button here that will run to your APX, and that programmable button will coincide with the radio that you have, that button on your radio. A single dimple. You can see the positive rubber right here. It's like nothing I've ever seen. You've got a very exaggerated, very exaggerated emergency man down button, and you can't hit this emergency man down button without really meaning to, because you have to literally put your finger in the center, and you've got it's to avoid accidental setting off of the emergency beacon. You've got your cord. This cord, I suppose, could come off. Let me see here. Check. I'll turn that. You've got a beacon on here. Check. Check. Very positive. Very good. You can disable this by pushing this, and that will turn the beacon off on your emergency man down. But yeah, very good mic. Very expensive mic, but at the same time, for firefighters, SWAT personnel, military, people who use tactical gloves. By the way, it does have extreme noise reduction. Let me see if I can't go through some of this. Comes with all the stuff. A replaceable coiled cable with screw, that would be this. So if your cable goes bad, then you can just unscrew this, turn it, pull it off, and replace it. And when you do replace it, that's what you're looking at. So it's a two-piece system. And then you've got the piece back there that's detachable. And all of them are set up to where you can actually replace them. Let me see if I can't just quickly go through this. It supports single noise suppression, profile, and does not duplicate all radio CPS noise suppression profile assignments. Let's see here. Your buttons here are going to be the same as the default on your radio, and you do have the beacon that comes on, and this actually this label here is reflective, but you have a very, very heavy duty grippable grill right here, and it also protects the speaker. These are very intense microphones. Very expensive, but very intense. And very, very, very well designed. I do have to hand it to Motorola. They did good on these mics. Let's see, anything else I can touch on this? You've got your volume up and down, of course. I told you about that. You push up and it just gradually goes up. You push down, it gradually goes down. You push on this button for 1 second, it turns that beacon off. If you push this on, you will turn that beacon on. If you push the emergency man down button speaker on your radio, that beacon will come on. You can turn that off in the CPS. Let me see what else. This, I don't know if you can hear it or not. You have a very positive clicks on here. You can feel this as you click it. It's tactile. So in that vein, it's a very, very intense remote speaker mic. For fire, SWAT, EMS, it's a little bit bulky, but for the fire guys, the SWAT guys, the military, they do make these in, I guess they call it green, safety green, but I call it fire yellow. But I'm partially colorblind, so that kind of throws any kind of coloring grid that I could give you off the map. But I think it's a safety green. But yeah, really good mics. Anyway, I figured you guys would want to check that out. Very, very nice. Very, very good quality. Very, very good audio. It's not picking it up on the camera very well, but trust me, the audio is much more superior coming out of one of these than even a Commander 2. The noise suppression and just everything about these mics is better than anything else that's been designed. The design team did a very good job on this. And when you look at the APX7000 and the APX7000XE, you can tell the difference in the build quality. They exaggerate all the features on the XE, but the XE is just an insanely high expensive radio as compared to a 7000, but a 7000 is every bit as much, every bit as insane. So until the prices come down, you know, you'll probably just be holding on to radios that actually make sense for you and equipment that actually makes sense for you. These are very high dollar microphones. They weren't cheap by any means, I'll guarantee you that. Not even for me. So this one's brand new in the box. At some point I'm sure I'll sell this, but for now I just thought I'd feature it. But yeah, over the next week and over the weekend I'm going to be putting some deals on in my eBay store. I haven't done many listings on there because they've really been jabbing me on final values, and I've really gotten sick of their policies. Direct sales have been good, but at the same time I'm going to throw some up that'll give you pretty competitive prices, and you know the quality of the stuff that you get from me. Anyway, this is the APX7000. Let's see. APX remote speaker mic, APX7000, RSM NTN A203, and this is the black. So you can pick these up. You can also look on YouTube, and you can see in the different videos that Motorola has put out, you can see these in use. The strobe doesn't really pick up even on their videos, but believe me, it works. Very, very good quality mic. Best design I've ever seen. Very heavy duty, and it's made for heavy use. And it's made for very extreme business. It's not little by any means. Take it easy, guys. This has been 12 minutes, and that's 12 minutes too long. Take it easy, guys. Later on.